The Canal Lifestyle channel. Yeah man, so there this man, so I go up on the hunting. I did think not so that I got water this man, but he say he have something for deal with. So tomorrow before he got water. Yeah man, so me come back on the water because I did tell him so me I come back on the water. So I can find some more fish. Yeah man, so I'm there this morning. Take me time to walk and go down. Doing short with this man if I gotta see, but in probably gone before me. Yeah man, in gone before me. I not go up the line, go dive to them. I not go nowhere off up at all or something. I just have swim off from down a full regular spot down a prospect or so. Yeah man, so swim off this and go and shoot and I look at here because I know one bag of long swimming. You understand people? Yeah man, so just stay tuned and watch what I go on. I go through the local bush right there, so yeah, I go through the local bush right there, so right there, so you see me up on the speed right there, so me I go. Yeah man, so I walk through the bush and go up on the rock side, gears up and then jump off. So see you guys from reaching the water. Like guys, please remember to subscribe to the channel and like up the video them guys, please. Yeah man, and share me your channel to a friend, because friend share to a friend. Yeah man, so see you guys soon in the water. Look flat, clean and pretty guys. Yeah man, so now waste of time. So we gun on my fin then this, my gloves on my fin. Yeah man, so I just wash out the glass and head out. Yeah man, cause see me can find some good amount of fish, because I have one brethren say I want 5 pounds up of fish. You want to tell me specific what kind of fish, you say I want 5 pounds. I see me can find 5 lovely size fish. 5 pounds a lovely size fish for him. Yeah man, so you can get them. And you say I cook them for a little party thing. So stay tuned guys and watch what I go on. And out them I go on. So this is my first fish that I make an attempt after. Yeah man, my first fish. It was a shad. You guys, it was a shad. We try for spear right here, so but the shad we parasite the spear. This is my second fish. I was trying to spear that part, but instead I speared a wrenchman. I speared a wrenchman instead. You guys. I was trying to spear the next wrenchman right here, but the wrenchman went up underneath the rock, so I didn't get the chance to spear that one. And this one was a little bit bigger than the one I speared. It was a little bit bigger than the one I speared earlier. Guys, I say me run down this apparatus from how long, and all me dip on top of the water swimming down. All me did one thing, though, I just hide, and that's what he did. He literally stopped somewhere and tried to hide me. But I thought I thought I didn't see him at first, but when I looked properly, I saw him, and I speared him right in the head and knocked him out, guys. See, I'm going to shoot him right here. It was a lovely size gold tail as well. I love when I run down the parrot fish them and they hide me, guys. I just love when they hide me. Because when they hide me, then just give me a better chance to shoot them. Yeah, guys. Right here, so I love the red belly right here, and the red belly tricked me. Yeah, guys, they literally tricked me and sim go the opposite way that I didn't expect it should go. Yeah, guys, you see me make off time right here, so see me make off time right here, so see my sim off there, see him there. Yeah, man, it was a lovely size one as well, but he tricked me, guys. Never expecting you to sim off that side. Think you would try like hide somewhere right there, so I'm assuming you could get his spear. So right here, me did the right at the shipwreck, and the shipwreck I sim up and down, and my sim come back right at the shipwreck. And when my sim come back at the shipwreck now, me see two red belly on the shipwreck. So I decided to try to spear the two of them. I'm gonna give a spear one, give a spear one of them in this dive, and give a spear one of them in this dive. It was a lovely size one as well. Two of them was the and they did the pan good size. I'm gonna give a spear one of them. So I make an attempt to spear the second one, but the second one was giving me a big fight, guys. It wasn't giving me the chance to come a little close towards it so I could get the spear it. It wasn't giving me the chance, guys. The second one was giving me a fight, so I didn't get the second one. I make two dive on it. This is one of the dive, and the next dive is going to come up in the other clip. Yeah, guys, I tried to spirit it 2 times, but it wasn't giving me a chance. I was trying to line up this gold tail that I dived down on, but the gold tail wasn't swimming slow enough so I could get the line up properly. It was swimming very fast, so I didn't have a chance to shoot that one. It was a lovely size gold tail as well. It was a good size one. I saw this red belly and I dived down on it. When I dived down on the red belly was trying to hide me, but it accidentally peeped out and I get to speed it right in the gills. Right in the gill here I get to speed that red belly. As I said before, I love when the parrotfish them hide me, guys. But when they hide me, especially the big ones, when they hide me, I'm literally swear where they went and try to hide. Yeah man, may have a better chance to spear them. Yeah guys, cause see this one that I hide me and I spear him right in the head. Right in the knockout spot, I spear him, guys. Yeah man. Anytime they hide me, guys, I always have a better chance to shoot them. Always. I'm gonna spear him right here, so on the spear flopper stuck underneath the rock. Underneath one rock right side of one side. On the light out. Yeah man, this way the big stuck underneath the rock, so I'm gonna try to spear him on the spear stuff. Did I try to put it down like guys, I see this snapper, guys, and I just said I try to spear the snapper. I'm gonna go down to try to spear the snapper. The snapper was there just swimming like everything is okay. When I try to spear the snapper, I missed the snapper. I don't even know how I missed that snapper, but I turn around and missed the snapper, guys. So right here, you see me shoot after one gold tail, I miss him. But I see where he went and I dive down back, I up and set the gun and dive down back and spear them. Yes. I did get this gold tail on my spear. I tried to spear earlier. But I decided I'm not in there leave him enough. I have to spear before I go in. Yes, this is where the video end, guys. Basically, this is where the spearfishing segment is finished. I'm actually going in right now. I was just making a video of the string of fish that I have. Yeah, guys. So some lovely size fish was on the string. Lovely size. Yeah, guys, so that was a lovely day. Yeah, man, a lovely day. Shoot a good amount of fish today. I caught them for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 24, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. I'm re-count them again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. Yeah, man, 26 fish we shoot for the guys. Yeah, I could have shoot more, but just to make me I get tired and it I get late. I don't want to stay out in the water too late, you know. I don't want to get late. I'm going to go out there from morning. And this is how I'm coming with, you know. I could have shoot more. All if they never did a run from me and I hide me, I could have shoot more. You know, I give God thanks. Come out of the water with some lovely size fish. And a lovely amount of fish. Yeah, man, so I get them clean up right now, guys. So stay tuned and watch what I go on. Okay, so see it there? Well clean up and string up and pretty and all these things, you know? Yeah man, I just to find the buyer for this right now. Yeah. Just to find the buyer for it. Well, stay tuned and watch what I go on, guys. Soon checking back with you know. Probably tomorrow again, you know? Yeah, probably tomorrow again, guys. I'm tired. I'm beat out. I'm frazzled out. Yeah, man. Water kind of get back to rough, you can see. But out there's also flat, but it kind of get look dirty back. But I know say tomorrow good see me. Tomorrow water good see me. Yeah man, so if anything tomorrow again guys. Sooner guys tomorrow again. Please remember to like, share, subscribe. Yeah man, and share to a friend, and family to a family. Yeah man, so the channel can get big, you know. Yeah man. Love you all. See you guys soon. Peace out.